A teacher's tools. Teachers give students the tools they need to learn about important subjects such as reading, math, and science. That makes them important community helpers. However, their job is far from easy. Teachers also need tools to teach students important skills that will help them be successful. How do teachers do their jobs? Teachers go to school for a long time to learn about how to teach others. They read about subjects to become experts on them. Textbooks aren't the only kinds of books teachers use. In some subjects, such as math and English, teachers might give their students workbooks. Workbooks are books students can write in. This is helpful for math because it lets students work out their math problems on paper. Teachers also use notebooks. They might have a notebook where they write notes about lessons or grades. They might also give out notebooks so students can write in them. Notebooks and loose leaf paper or individual lined pages are great for note taking. Teachers and students also need writing tools to do that. Teachers and students often use pencils to write notes and work out math problems. Pencils often have erasers on them, so it's okay to make mistakes when writing. Teachers also use pens for writing. They might give their students pens when they're confident there will be few mistakes in their writing. Teachers have many things to keep track of. They need to keep track of their students' homework, tests, grades, and the lesson plans that help them teach their subject. There are many tools teachers can use to help organize their papers. Sometimes teachers need to organize information in a book or in papers. They could use highlighters to mark important pieces of information. Highlighters are markers with bright, light colors. To keep track of test scores, a teacher might highlight just the test scores in their grade book. With so many papers, it's easy to misplace or lose important ones. It's important that teachers file their papers in special places to set them apart from one another. This calls for more tools. Teachers might use folders to keep papers of the same subject together. For example, a teacher could have one folder for homework pages, one folder for quizzes, and one folder for tests. Teachers can choose certain colors as a code to remember which folders hold which papers. Sometimes teachers have important news or papers they'd like to share with the class. Teachers can use bulletin boards to post papers such as an inspirational saying, field trip announcements, or lunch menus. Some bulletin boards are made of corkboard, which is a soft, woody matter. Teachers can easily stick pins into corkboard to hang pieces of paper. Bulletin boards help teachers keep students notified, but can also be fun. Teachers sometimes use them to post about someone's birthday or holiday. When a teacher teaches a lesson, they often need a surface to share information and illustrate their point. Many classrooms have blackboards, also called chalkboards. Blackboards are a dark color such as black or green, and teachers can draw on them with white or colored chalk. This helps teachers illustrate math problems or write important science facts. Some classrooms have whiteboards. These are white surfaces that teachers can draw on with erasable markers. Whiteboards help show information like blackboards. There are more tools for teachers today than ever before. Perhaps the most important tool is a computer. Teachers use computers to type up their lesson plans and keep track of grades and assignments. They can also use computers to research ideas for lessons. They can post grades online and email parents about how their children are doing in class. Some teachers use special software on their computers. Some software helps make vocabulary worksheets, while other software has educational games. Blackboards and whiteboards are great tools for sharing information, but they're quickly becoming a thing of the past. Many teachers now have interactive whiteboards in their classrooms. Interactive whiteboards are large screens that connect to a computer. Students and teachers can touch the screen to work on problems, switch to a new image, or illustrate their thoughts. Some teachers have a special tablet that connects to the whiteboard. Students can draw, write, or write on a tablet, and the image appears on the whiteboard. Different teachers use different kinds of tools. Art teachers use paint and clay to make art projects. Technology teachers use hammers and screwdrivers to teach students how to build. Music teachers use drums and guitars to teach students music. Gym teachers use basketballs and soccer balls. Teacher tools help teachers make learning fun. Some tools help teachers stay organized while others help them share information with their classes. Next time you're in class, look around your classroom. What important teacher tools do you see?